Hello everyone, how you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing wonderful. This is your boy David, and today I have something I'm going to share with you, okay? For those of you who are looking to change your add to cart, I'm going to show you guys how to do it very easily without even have to go into messing with that section where you would have to go in the HTML section. It's very simple. A lot of people are making it confused, and I found an easy way that you can do it less than 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, I'm going to walk you guys directly through the process, how you guys can just follow along and do it, because I think it's a lot easier than people make it seem. As you guys can see, I already have this new store that I'm working with. As you guys can see, it do not say add to cart, it say buy it now. And I'm going to show you guys how you guys can actually do it very easily. So I'm not going to waste any time. I'm going to go and show you guys the process, and hope you guys enjoy this video along the way. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go to my Shopify store. Alright. When you reach inside your Shopify store, what you're going to do is you're going to look, you're going in the dashboard section, you're going to look where it says setting, okay? Where it says setting. No, not setting, I mean online store. Once you reach to where it says online store, right, which is the theme that you are using, you're going to go to it where you see it say action right here, right? You're going to click it. Then what you're going to go do next, let me scroll that so you guys can see it. What you're going to do, you're going to go where it say edit language, okay? Then once you reach in this section, what you're going to do is you see where it say all these tabs up here where it say general. Now you're going to look to where it say product. As you guys, you're going to look around and you're going to click on this one right here. Then what you're going to do now, you're going to look for where it say add. In your case, it should say add to cart. Since I changed it, it's going to say buy it now. You see, it's very simple. All you have to do is where it say add to cart, you type whatever you want to show on here, right? As you guys can see, I say buy it now, and that's what it say. That's what it says here, and that's basically it. As you guys can see, it's very simple, straight to the point. And I'm going to actually show you guys another tip while I also doing this video. Some of you guys may wonder, how do you change the color to make it green? To make it green, as you guys can see I have here. So what you can do, what you have to do is, you're gonna go to store, right? You're gonna go to customize. Once you're doing your theme section, I'm letting my computer load for a bit because it's kind of slow. Then what you do, you see now where it says section, and you're going to say theme section. You're going to click on theme section, and now you're going to go with color. Now all you have to do is make this here green. You see primary button, make it green. All you do is scroll. I'm not going to mess with mine, I already said it. As you guys can see, you scroll around like this, and you just go right here and you're gonna hit save. As you guys can see, it's straight to the point. And you can go to checkout, checkout all as well. You're gonna also make those buttons, they're green as well. Alright, you're going to make these two buttons green as well. So as you guys can see, it was very simple, straight to the point. There is no HTML code that I had to play with. And if you guys really like this video, you guys can subscribe to get other new videos whenever I make them. So you guys will get notified as soon as I upload a video. If you guys enjoyed this video or had any takeaway, you guys can comment in the section below and let me know what you need help with, or how this video is able to help you. And I will continue doing more videos on up to date. So I hope you guys enjoy this one. I want you guys to take care and be safe, and see you guys next time. This is David signing out. So peace.